What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me for a new video. Today we're going to do Etsy shop reviews. We're going to review a GYMOCITY print-on-demand shop. They got a lot of gym-themed products, so if you're ready to go, let's get started. Quick reminder, I run a weekly print-on-demand giveaway. You can enter for free using the link in the description. This week sponsored by the Flying Upload print-on-demand upload automation, AutomatePOD print-on-demand design automation, and All American Graphics, which I used in a video yesterday. A ton of you guys already watched it, but I was talking about selling inauguration t-shirts. So check that out. You can see how you can use All American Graphics with some USA Biden-Harris theme shirts. All right, right next to that link, I've got a link to my print-on-demand mini course delivered to your email inbox over 8 days. And I've got a print-on-demand Facebook community if you guys would like to join. All right, let's take a look at this Etsy shop. All right, so here we are. We have the GYMOCITY Etsy shop. I can put a link in the description if anybody wants to check it out for yourself. From New York, United States, on Etsy since 2020. And they have 9 sales, but at least they've got their first review, which is awesome. When you launch a new Etsy shop, make sure you get that first review. I recommend just having a friend or family member that doesn't share an IP address with you going ahead and just purchasing something from your shop, even if it's like a digital download. Post it for like 99 cents and then let them give you that first review since it pops up on all of your listings in search results. All right, so let's take a look at some of the stuff you guys have for sale. You got some cool shirts here, like the deadlift shirt, by the way. Got a compliment already that your shirts are very easy to read from the thumbnail. You're very zoomed in, which is something I really do recommend since people are buying the design more than they're buying the t-shirt in most cases. So you got a skull saying deadlift. I like the color scheme there too. The black skull, though, against the black shirt doesn't pop that much. I think the red one actually looks nice. Even the white one, or heather gray, is looking really good there too. So maybe that would have been a better choice for the primary thumbnail, actually. Maybe this one. But that's a nice looking shirt. Let's see what else. Sweat is just fat crying. That's pretty funny. Oh, you got a video here. Very nice. Check that out. GYMOCITY, got your shop. Is it gonna show the actual design, or is it just, there you go. Very nice. That looks very professional. So you went above and beyond there with creating these video ads. It doesn't look like you did it for all of your products, but so check out these pendants. This is really cool. I don't know what you're using to create these, or if this is something that is truly handmade that maybe you are fulfilling yourself, but that's really cool. It looks like there's kind of a long shipping delay though. It looks like it ships within 2 to 4 days, but doesn't arrive until January 26th through February 12th, which is a little bit weird. Ah, there you go. Ships from China. So that's what it is. So maybe it's like a drop shipping thing. But it's still cool that you are selling these on your shop. I wonder what production partner you might be using to fulfill those, and if they integrate automatically so that you don't have to manually create these orders. But that is pretty cool that you're doing that. Fits with the gym theme. All over print, Halloween, unisex, fitness, gym. You know, this may not seem like a fitness hoodie, but if you ever like look at the people that do like the Olympia or the Arnold Classic, you know, big powerlifting, you know, steroids meets they do tend, when they train, like when they train for those events, they usually do wear like sweatshirts and a hoodie and kind of keep their physique under wraps. Trust me, it's not like I do that, but I know it because I do watch some YouTube videos and whatnot about the bodybuilders for inspiration, right? Oh, I like this one. You got the Tesla Cybertruck here. Back to work, Elon Musk funny tee. One thing I'd say you should do is probably expand the keywords in your title. What I like to do is put phrases that I think people would search for relevant to my shirt or my design in the title. And I like to squeeze almost like pretty much as I can in there to get indexed on as much as possible. And then also the tags obviously are going to be important. You got a sports bra. Oh, check this out. Wait, this might be the person that, were you the, maybe I wrote this shop down because they were the person, I don't remember because it was a while ago, but I did do an Amazon merch review, like a test of this style of a shirt design where you put basically like the same color as the fabric of the shirt letters. And then when you get sweaty and it changes the color of the shirt, and it actually worked. I tested it with like the silver shirt from Amazon merch and the light heather gray, and it works on both of them actually. So that was a cool idea. And I guess maybe I borrowed it from you. So that's pretty cool. The sweat activated. And here you got a sports bra, bunch of different colors. This is probably from China too, right? No, Yeah, there you go. Ships from China. That's still pretty cool. There's no print on demand aspect of it though. So maybe it's, well, I don't know. 15.90, is that really how much it costs? Yeah, $16 for a sports bra. So that's not bad. I wonder if you've sold any. Other people want this, have this in their carts. There you go. And free shipping from China to the US as long as people are willing to. Here's the only thing, guys. Like on Etsy, where is the... I guess I don't see the shipping estimate on this one, but, Etsy customers are very vocal. And if they haven't received their product in a short enough window of time, you may start getting cancellation requests for something that's already in the mail. And then you might be out the money. So that's something I would really just pay attention to. Also, at $16, I don't know what the base cost of these are, but just make sure that you're not losing money because Etsy also takes their cut and you pay the 20-cent renewal fee, et cetera, et cetera. So make sure that, because that seems like a good price point, but get the Muscle Santa, leg day, best not talk to me. For me, leg day often turns into a day off. So I'm not going to lie. But I will say I'm happy to report that I did get in there for leg day this week. So my hamstrings are absolutely killing me. That's why you got to get in there more often, right? What else you got? You got the deadlift shirt again. Sweat is just fat, leaving the gym and tonic. That's pretty funny. It's a cool design here. So I like that you mixed it up too with some different colors in some of your thumbnails. So you got the red and the blue instead of just black. Oh, the Fibonacci spiral. Nice. I like that. Train hard or stay home. If these are original designs, I think you're really doing a great job from a graphic design standpoint. I don't believe in magic. I believe in workouts. See, I already man, I've been spending so much time in the gym since I was 16 years old that I like all the workout memes. But I was never big into purchasing the funny shirts. I just like to wear I used to wear tank tops and then I kind of switched into just whatever t-shirt I'm wearing that day. But anyways, so the one thing I'd say too is only 39 products. Kind of disappointing. I know your shop is at least a few months old because I've had it written down on my list for a while. You shouldn't give up. I mean, I think you're spot on with how to approach design and also how to frame your thumbnails so that people can read the design in the thumbnail. I would say that, when you have a thumbnail like this one, you can go into Photoshop, Photopea, whatever, magic wand the background off, and then put some color in the background. On Amazon, you have to have the white background. On Etsy, there's no restrictions. So don't be afraid to mix it up and put something that pops because you gotta, you're competing for attention. When you get somebody to slow down and look at what you're actually selling, that's step 1. And then if they like it enough to click it, step 2. And then if they like it enough to add to cart, step 3. And then step 4, they get to the checkout process. And if the price plus shipping isn't too high and the shipping delays aren't too bad, then step 4 or 5, whatever step we were on, they actually purchase from you and you get the sale. So be thinking of, the whole process from the customer perspective. Also, you guys that watch me do these Etsy reviews, what am I about to say? Always run a sale. You got to be running a sale. There's no excuse not to. It's so easy to run a sale. Go to your shop manager, go to, I think it's marketing, then go to sales and coupons, then go to sale, run a sale, set the duration to, if you do it every 2 days, then it'll put a timer on the listing. Or if you just do it for as long as you possibly can, I think it's a month, then do that. And you can go into your shop manager and then your inventory tab, select all products. This is why I like to group them in sections by base cost. And you can offset the base price of your products to, so that if you run a 10% off sale, you just offset the price on the high end so that when they run the 10% off sale, they're still paying the same amount of money that they would have without the sale. So you don't actually lose any money. So kind of a slick trick there. But remember, when they're looking at search results and you want them to click you and not your competition, you got to have that sale running. You got to have a good design that they can read. And you got to have at least one review, which you do have. So that's good. Page 2, you only have 3 products here. I do like this design a lot, though. That's really nice if you did that. The real workout starts when you want to stop. The only thing is I couldn't really see when you in there, that text. But I really like the design there. The distress text, the thick, bold letters, the font variations, the contrast, everything, the colors. Well done. So I don't know if there's anything else left to say about the shop. I mean, the header image, I skipped right past it, but look how professional that looks. Very well branded. The way that it's the text is overlaid with the white outer glow, it blends right in with the chalk in the guy's hands that's about to power lift. and you've got your Instagram and your Facebook there. I mean, what's not to love about this? So I think you're on your way to success as an Etsy print on demand seller, and also non-print on demand seller, because you got the sports bra and the pendant. Just keep going. Don't give up, man. Just keep pushing. I know I had this shop on my list prior to Christmas, so you really should have been pushing hard to get as many products as you could have up ahead of Christmas to capitalize on that sales rush. But you know what? There's always this year, right? There's always next year, but this year just started, so keep it up. And guys, thanks for watching. That's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. So, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and go enjoy the rest of your weekend.